How to transfer money on Bank of America. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money using Bank of America. So first, you will need to log into your Bank of America account. Once you're in, hover over the Transfer Zelle tab at the top of the screen and select to or from other banks, includes wires. Before you begin, make sure you have your recipient's details ready, including their name and address, account number, bank name, and address. Having this on hand will make the process smoother. Next, add your recipient. Choose whether it's a domestic or international transfer. Enter their details and follow the prompts to verify your identity. Once the recipient is added, go to Make Transfer. Select your account, choose the recipient, and enter the amount you would like to send. You can also add a note to explain the purpose of your transfer. Review all the details carefully. You will see the total amount, including any fees. If everything looks good, click Make Transfer to complete the process. And that's it. Your transfer is now processing. You will receive a confirmation email with all the details. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.